guys, it is officially here. My dream bag, Quota Bag unboxing. I am so excited to share this with you guys. Now, before we get into the fabulous unboxing, I'm Jamie, and on this channel, we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right into this amazing unboxing. In my last video, I had my Hermes unboxing video where I unboxed all of my October items. Near the end of that video, I had a little bit of a teaser where I shared that my SA texted me saying that she had a surprise for me.
I don't know what to say. I'm trying to process because we know what this is.
We know what it is.
No one prepares you when you receive that text. Certainly I was surprised. Heck, I was in the middle of a crate and barrel when I received that text. I text back saying that I was super excited and arranged a Saturday visit. So here we are. It is Saturday and I just got back from the boutique. But I tried to film a little bit of the clips leading up to my appointment. So let me share with you guys that. Hey guys, so we are on our way to Hermes. I still can't believe my SA texted me. I'm so excited. Let's go. So I had hubby come with me to the city. We were a little bit early for my afternoon appointment. So we headed over to the Waldorf Astoria. The Waldorf Astoria is one of our favorite places in the city. Anytime we get a chance to hang out, have a drink there, we just try to take in all of that great ambiance, great memories. So we had a drink there. So hubby and I just had a drink at the Waldorf Astoria. Love that hotel. It's the place where we got married. And now I'm heading to Hermes. So excited. I met up with my SA, and first things first, she wanted to talk about a scarf. She complimented my outfit, which is very neutral in style. I want to share that before we get into the bag. And let's just hang tight here. But it goes with the story because, of course, she right away was like, I love your outfit. I've got the perfect scarf for you. And it will go with your bag too. So, okay, I'm all game. And this scarf totally goes with my aesthetic. Let me show you guys. The first item is this beautiful print here. Oh, look at this print. I'll try to get you guys a better shot. You can see here, the scarf is beautiful. This is what I was wearing in the boutique, and I'll have a better shot for you guys showing my whole outfit. But this scarf, I think it's called the Soleil Charme. I believe that means under spell. And what's so great about this one, it's the great print. As you know, they do fantastic prints, and you have all of these Greek mythology creatures, the trees, you have a couple different animals on this, and I think like a tiger, a bull, a peacock, they're all in various trees, and the colorways, of course, and it certainly goes with a lot of my outfits that tend to be this type of tone, right? It's gorgeous. So she was telling me that this particular scarf just came into the boutique, and she's like, I thought of you when I saw this, and of course I thought you'd be crazy if you didn't pick this because this is totally your style. And that's part of the charm and the fun that I have with my SA is she knows my style aesthetic, and when she gets items into the boutique, she just immediately is like, yes, this one you just need to pick up. And this is certainly something that isn't necessarily on my wish list, but it totally fits with my style profile, if you will. So this is a unexpected, but I love it. It just goes so much with everything. Okay, we made it through to the fun part, and I know, thank you guys for sticking with me. So here we are. This is the Quota bag. This is what we've been waiting for. Just to give you a very quick little recap here, I've been doing my Hermes journey since my first video, which was back, and I'll put that in, and I believe that was March of 2022. That's a while, yes. And truth be told, I wasn't always consistent, focused on my journey. My journey took a bit, and that's probably a different video for a different day because we got to show this beauty. Anytime I've been getting my items from Hermes, these are items I actually do enjoy. I love the different categories. Yeah, you're gonna pay some money with these, but this one, certainly my essay and I and hubby, we were all excited because this bag was just, it was just meant to be. I'm just a little bit, this is a beautiful bag. This is the dream, guys. This is absolutely the dream bag. This is it. I'm so excited. And I love that you guys are part of my journey in seeing this. This is I feel like a long time coming for this particular beauty. This bag, I'm gonna say, is the queen of my collection, and I still can't believe it. Are you guys ready? Any guesses? This is my beautiful Birkin 25 gold on gold. Isn't this beautiful? This is everything. So I'm gonna do a quick turn for you guys. This is beautiful. And you got the feet, and here we go. And this is Togo leather, and it's beautiful. Just look at that color. This is certainly like next level for my collection, and I love this. Is my first official Quota bag from the boutique. I do have my Picotin and my Evelyn, but this is my first one that my essay offered me with the Birkin, and I still can't believe it. This is mine. It's truly breathtaking. Now, she had me go to the 3rd floor in the Chicago boutique, which I've never been, and this is where, what she told me is that of course, they would extend any bag offers and more privacy. It's where your VICs go. Again, I was overwhelmed. She gave hubby and I some bubbles, and we just had a lovely time. This bag is the #1 bag on my wish list. If you remember when I talked about my handbag wish list, it was gold. Birkin 25 was #1. I was open on the hardware. She also said to me that this particular, when she scanned the QR code on the box, and she said, as of right now, this is the only bag in this particular combination that is available in the country right now, which was amazing. And I just feel so lucky to have this. It just all worked out. The timing was everything. So back to the wish list, the #2 was gonna be the Kelly 25 in another beautiful neutral, like a tube or whatever they had, really. That's a Kelly 25. But this one, for many years, wanted a Birkin when it would be on my wish list. And it's really surreal to finally have it in my collection, because honestly, this journey, you just don't know. You don't know when you're gonna be offered a bag and what it takes to get there. Again, these are probably all future videos, but the whole experience leading up to this, like I said, everything from the text and going up today to even to the 3rd floor to the VIC area and having that big bag reveal, it's all overwhelming, and you just don't know. I did try this bag on, and of course I did ask if I could take footage, and she said no. But so I was certainly excited to share with you guys how this looks with my outfit. And I love a good handheld. I probably will get Twillies for the handles on it, but certainly this is beautiful. So in terms of the price, let me see if I can get that for you guys. Okay, so the receipt says Birkin 25 handbag, Togo calfskin, gold, $11,400. And I can't believe it. Isn't this the perfect bag for my collection. Let me know what you guys think. I just want to thank you guys too, because you guys have been along the ride with me until ultimately getting this bag. This is like I said, it's like the queen of my collection. When this is a bag I certainly never thought I would have in my collection, and I'm in awe. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. It's perfect for my collection and I'm so overjoyed for this. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you guys think of my Birkin bag and as well as my scarf. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.